You made me look so beautiful tonight. I've never looked like this before.
Donna, honestly, you are one of my favorite clients, and I'm really quite happy to be here, and I'm happy to support you. You're phenomenal, and I think that you're gorgeous.
Thank you. I feel like I'm glowing though from the inside out. It's so like I don't know. The makeup that you do, you're such an artist. Like you define. I don't want to make you blush, but you know they say makeup artist. It's like you're an artist.
Thanks, Donna. Actually, you have a great canvas, and you inspire me to do better.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No,
so
thank you.
This is our second Matchmaker Millionaire party together.
This is. I'm pretty excited to be here tonight. I just met Doug a few minutes ago, but I wish him the best, and I don't know what his girlfriend looks like or, you know, the person that he chose, but I'm excited to see the show.
And there's a ton of people here from all over the place.
Looks like it.
And now you're still here. You just came in from Los Angeles, but you're going to make your new home here in New York, right?
I am. I'm really excited, actually. There's a lot going on. I finished a really big photo shoot over the past week, and I actually did a charity event. A lot's going on, actually. And then today I came to this just to support you and also just to come hang out. I'm happy.
Well, it's fun, and you know, Doug's going to be doing a lot of on-camera stuff and a lot of on-camera work, so I know that you guys are going to be working together. And
He and I are. Doug?
yeah, Doug, Manus, yeah.
You and I are going to be working together?
Yeah.
I look forward to that, Doug. I had no idea. But I'm looking forward to it. You're a great
And
guy.
you met Brad Pine, who's on Live It Up, and you're going to be like, you know, taking care of him. Now, what did you say? His gray hair's nice, but what?
Actually, I think he's got the best hair, and I don't think that he should touch it. I think gray hair is very attractive, and I think it's very, it's suitable for a man his age. Oh, I mean, he's only 27 with a lot of gray hair. But I love it.
Now, who have been some of your favorite faces to work on?
Honestly, it's been, man, I'd much rather preface it by saying which networks I enjoy working on. And I enjoy working with ABC. I enjoy working with NBC. I was with Access Hollywood for a couple years. So I've pretty much done quite a bit of everybody in Hollywood. But I don't know. I'm looking forward to what's going on in New York. Everything else has been my past, and I'm looking forward to my future.
And you do a little bit of all different types of makeup. You know, you need a different styling for, I guess, film, television, theater, things of that nature, photo shoots.
Yes, it's all about lighting, much like we have right now, which is why you look so phenomenal. It's not about me, it's about Donna.
No, tonight it's about you too.
No, Donna Drake, we love Donna Drake. Live it up, man, live it up.
Oh man, TJ, you're embarrassing me.
I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys so much. Oh, the other side, sorry.
Did you leave me hanging?
No, I didn't. Okay.
One kiss from you is never just enough. I always need two.
Put me on spot. Okay, anyway, bye guys.
Bye. TJ.